Slav Kurdistan, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dro. Mana. Oh my god, I learned and I forgot. Oh my gosh, learning a language is really hard. But listen, I need to practice more, okay? Because, okay, Slav. So today I'm gonna be looking at Faroo. It's a Kurdish dance. So some of you told me about it. So I'm really curious and anxious to find out what it is, how does it sound, what it is. Maybe I've seen it, maybe I haven't, but we'll find out what is this Faroo, okay? So this is Kurdish. Let's go. Okay, is that what it is? Is that what it is? Is that what it is? I mean, it sounds fun. Oh wow, yes, that's the dance. Okay. Oh wow. It's fun. It's like jumping. Imagine me going like this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The feet. It's a lot of jumping. Oh, I can't do that. I mean, can I do that? Imagine me. Oh my gosh. I need to learn that. How'd I do that? Okay, that was fun. Okay, let's watch another one. Oh yes, I like that one with the thing. Oh, excuse me? Yes. Oh, wow. Like the footwork is insane. It looks easy, but I don't think it's easy. It's like a technique. Oh, I like that one. I like that one. Yes, I really like that little song. Okay, I want to do it. I want to do it. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Everybody's going. Oh my god, I feel like I can do it. Hold on. Can I do it? Okay, hold on. Oh no, I cannot do that. Okay, that's a lot. I feel like I can do it, but like I don't know. I don't think I can do it. But I like this one. This is so fun. I don't think that's Faroo. Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh wow. Oh no, that's a lot. Oh, that's like advanced. That's advanced. Oh, I cannot do that. Oh wow. Like this man right here. Oh, he's going hard. I like the little thingy. Like I like that one. Oh yes. Okay, yes. Oh, I wish oh, this sounds so fun. Oh, wow. He's going hard. Yes. You gotta be like, how do you learn this? Woo! Okay, yes. Oh, wow. Oh, well, I like that one. Oh, I want to learn that one. I want to learn that one. I really want to learn that one. Oh, yes. Oh, they better. They better. They better. Okay, yes. Oh, that's my type of music. I love this music. I like this type of music. Yes. Oh, wow. I like it. I wish I could get invited to like a wedding or something. It would be so amazing. Everybody's so happy and just enjoying, like, yes. Yes, I stand. Amazing. I love. Well, there you go, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoy this type of dance. Faroo, I hope that's correct. And I hope what I watched was the dance Faroo. I really like it. And I'm gonna try to practice, and maybe I learn, and maybe I can make a video me dancing to your music. I don't promise, because I can follow. I'm bad. I dance, but it's a different type of dance. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thumbs up this video. If you have another dance that I have not watched, comment down below so I can take a look. Okay, bye.